Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making fried plantains. The only ingredients that you're going to need today are salt and frying oil, and also your plantains. First thing we're going to do is cut the ends off of our plantains and cut them diagonally. Okay guys, I have my plantains cut. Mine were ripe, so they're going to be sweet. And all we're doing now is waiting for our vegetable oil to reach temperature so we can put our plantains in to fry them. Okay guys, once your oil is ready, all we're going to do is put our plantains in. Okay guys, once all your plantains are in the frying pan, we're just going to fry them until they're golden on both sides. Okay guys, I'm going to begin to start flipping them over. Okay guys, as you can see, they're getting nice and golden. So all I'm going to do is get a plate, put a paper towel on it, and I'm going to transfer them to the plate so they can drain. Okay guys, I have my plantains draining on a paper towel. Okay guys, so here are your fried plantains. You can add a little bit of salt if you want to. That's totally optional. All you do is just sprinkle it over top. So thank you guys for watching. Please come back. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.